Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom reports in Lendingclub. Lendingclub provides built-in reports for balances, transactions, and loan details, but sometimes you need a more personalized view. Creating custom report allows you to focus on specific financial areas, whether it's analyzing spendings or tracking debt repayments or just monitoring savings growth. Start by logging into your Lendingclub account and navigating to the reports or statements section. Within this area, you're going to typically find filtering options, so just go ahead and choose the category, the date range, or the account type that you'd like to include. For example, you might create a report that only highlights loan payments and interest, or one that breaks down spendings by merchant category. Once you've applied your filter, Lendingclub will generate a tailored report. Many of these can be exported in CSV or Excel format, giving you the flexibility to further refine the data in external tools. For instance, you can apply formulas, create trend graphs, or consolidate multiple reports into one master spreadsheet. Custom report gives you a clearer financial picture and helps you to make informed decisions with data that's relevant to your goals. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.